Hey everyone, today I'm sharing simple tricks to keep your vertical clips crisp, not looking like they were smeared with Vaseline. I'll walk through my quick manual workflow so you understand what is actually happening before we apply a shortcut. First, switch your 4K timeline to the correct 1080 x 1920 vertical aspect ratio to properly center your shot. Platforms aggressively compress vertical uploads, which softens details, so we need a countermeasure before exporting. The key is to add a touch of subtle sharpening before exporting to fight that coming platform softness. I reduce the sharpening radius slightly in the color page until the clip looks a bit over-sharpened right now. For the first export, I use the common recommendation MP4 H.264 capped around 8000 kbps for comparison. Then I create my quality version using QuickTime H.265, bumping the bitrate up to 12,000 kbps with 10-bit color if possible. This gives the encoder more data to work with, practically preserving crucial detail in textures like fabric and skin. When you compare them side by side, the default MP4 looks noticeably softer, while the H.265 keeps everything crisp. While this manual process is great for learning, it becomes very time-consuming if you are posting daily across many platforms. This is where an automation tool becomes super handy for instantly skipping these manual steps and saving you hours. It scans your full footage, finds the most viral moments, and generates platform-ready vertical clips with perfect settings. Try the H.265 trick for control, or test the automation tool for consistency and a massive time savings in your workflow.